Hey gorgeous, this is my night routine for the fluffiest, most gorgeous curls in the morning. I am taking down my half up, half down from my style previously so we can start to wrap up our hair. I'm gonna take some small sections in the back. You'll see two sections, and then I'm gonna take this whipped butter gel from Camille Rose. I love it because it's moisturizing and it has a little bit of hold. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, brush it through any detangles, any tangles. And then I'm gonna wrap the end around my little squishy rod. These are so comfortable to sleep in. And I'm just gonna twist around until I get to the base of my head, and then they basically snap together and hold into place. And they're so comfortable to sleep in. It's crazy. They're meant for sleeping, so they're definitely more squishy than regular like flexi rods or rods, knowing that you're gonna sleep in them. But here's my strange technique, as you see like me kind of wrapping it around, because it'll help to roll it around and also twist it around at the same time. So you'll see me just kind of wrap the ends, and then I'll do this kind of weird this motion. I'll do this motion until I get to the top, and it's basically wrapping and rolling at the same time. Super efficient, and the curls come out bomb every single time. So I think this is my last, and for the front, I like to curl inwards so the curl goes towards my face. Just think it looks more romantic that way. And then just gonna put on my silk bonnet, wash my face, and go to sleep. That's it. Okay, love you, bye.